Thank you for viewing this Lotus Esprit Turbo HC. So it's a rare HC model. There was only 138 of them built. It's 1986. Finished in red. Been in family ownership for over 30 odd years. Was used initially by them, they bought it second hand, and then it has stood for 30 years. We have just gone through detailed recommissioning, including full engine rebuild, gearbox has been fully checked and overhauled, new radiator, coolant pipes, brakes, shock absorber units at a cost of in excess of 25,000. It's done 44,000 miles, so it's a low mileage, genuine car, completely original. Paintwork is lovely for its age, and it hasn't had paintwork, which is so rare at this age of car. We're just running in the car now, so just building up a few miles. As you can see, the condition of the strips, there's usually a strip and they start bubbling underneath, so they become uneven. These ones are lovely and straight. New tyres, of course. A rare collectible example of a Lotus Esprit. It's available for Allon White Sports Cars on 01234 750 205. Thank you for viewing.